Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you about 10 uses of preposition in. So the first rule is when we have to describe any bigger places, so that time we have to use preposition in. For example, we live in India. India is in Asia. She lived in Uttarakhand. Mr. Sharma lived in Dehradun. My uncle lives in Mumbai. So here you can see all are bigger places. So before that we will always write preposition in. Second rule is when we have to write any phrases of time and when we have to speak something about phrases of time. So before that we will write preposition in. For example, in the morning, in the evening. When something is in fixed position or in rest position, so for describing that we will use preposition in. For example, she is in the room, he was in hospital, I was in the bus. When we have to describe any permanent action, for example, my brother is in the army, it means he is working there. He is in the politics, I am in the education. Rule number 5, when we have to write months, when we have to speak about months, so for that we will use preposition in. I was born in October, my brother was born in July. He will come here in May. She is coming in September in this month. So for these months as well as for all the months we will use preposition in. For seasons also we will use preposition in. For example, in winter, in summer, in autumn, in spring, in this season. I love to have coffee in winter. So for example, this is the use of in, preposition in. For describing years, in 1999, in the year of 1942, in 2020. Before centuries, we will use in the 18th century, in the 16th century. Rule number 9, before ages, for describing the any age, if you want to say about ages, in the Victorian age, in the Elizabethan age. Rule number 10, for telling about enclosed area, for example, in a car, in a jeep, in a box, in a garden. She was sitting in a garden, he was coming in a car, the toys are kept in a box. So for describing any enclosed area we will use preposition in. So for today this much. Thank you so much.